In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shapes in Miro. By the end, you'll be comfortable placing shapes on your board and customizing them so they look exactly the way you want. Start by opening your Miro dashboard and selecting the board where you want to work. Give the board a moment to load, then take a quick look around. Your blank canvas is in the center and the main toolbar runs along the left side. Next, find the Shapes tool on that left toolbar. It typically looks like a square or a circle. If you don't see it right away, click the More Tools button, the three dots near the bottom of the toolbar, to expand the full list, and you'll see shapes there. Click the shapes icon to open the shape options. A small menu will appear with common choices like circles, squares, and triangles. These basic shapes are great building blocks for diagrams, flowcharts, or quick callouts. Simply click the shape you want to add. For example, choose a square if you're laying out a simple block diagram. Now place your shape on the canvas. Move your cursor to the area where you want it to appear and click once to drop a default sized shape. If you want to control the size right from the start, click and drag instead. As you drag, you'll see an outline that lets you judge the dimensions before you release. A helpful tip, hold shift while dragging to keep the shape's proportions even. If you placed a default size and want to adjust it, drag the corner handles to resize uniformly, or use the side handles for width or height only. Zooming in slightly can make precise sizing easier. With the shape selected, look to the top toolbar to customize it. You can change the fill color, adjust the border color, and pick a border thickness to make it subtle or bold. Depending on the shape, you may see additional controls like opacity or style variations. For consistent sizing, you can type in exact values if those fields are available. The selection box and handles confirm the shape is active and ready for edits. To move the shape, simply click and drag it to a new spot on the canvas. Miro shows smart alignment guides as you move, which helps you line things up with other objects for a tidy layout. For fine adjustments, nudge with your arrow keys and hold shift while dragging to keep the movement straight horizontally or vertically. If something doesn't look right, use undo to quickly revert. And that's it. Open your board, choose the Shapes tool, pick a shape, place it on the canvas, and customize it to fit your design.